Ever wondered how a tiny egg transforms into the chicken on your dinner plate? At this mega factory, it happens on a massive scale every single day. From cutting-edge egg incubation technology to high-efficiency broiler houses, we're about to uncover how millions of chickens are hatched and raised to feed a global demand. It all begins at specialized breeder farms, where fertilized eggs are collected and sorted to ensure only the healthiest make it here. Cracked or abnormal eggs are removed. The surviving eggs are packed in climate-controlled trucks. Temperature and handling are crucial to protect the embryos inside. By the time they arrive at this facility, they're ready for incubation. Welcome to the Hatchery, where technology meets nature. These high-tech incubators create the perfect environment a mother hen would provide, but on an industrial scale. Each machine regulates temperature around 37.5 degree, 99.5 degree, and maintains precise humidity levels. Automated racks rotate the eggs multiple times a day, preventing the embryo from sticking to the shell. Sensors inside feed real-time data to control panels, allowing staff to adjust settings if anything drifts off target. Even a fraction of a degree matters. Too hot and the embryos develop too quickly. Too cold and they fall behind. The result? Thousands of eggs gently nurtured into healthy, viable chicks. After about a week, it's time to see which eggs are on track. This process is called candling. A bright light illuminates the interior of each shell, making the developing embryo visible. Non-viable eggs are removed to maintain optimal conditions for the rest. Modern facilities sometimes use automated candling systems, quickly scanning thousands of eggs an hour with remarkable accuracy. Whether manual or high-tech, the goal is the same. Keep only the eggs that promise strong, healthy chicks. At around day 9, eggs move from the main incubators to specialized hatchers. Here, the humidity ramps up, making it easier for chicks to break through the shell. Over the next few days, each chick absorbs the last of its yolk for energy, cracks the shell from inside, and emerges ready to explore the world. Within hours, they're fluffing up, chirping, and moving onto conveyor belts or into small crates. These newly hatched chicks are surprisingly resilient, but they still need a carefully controlled environment to thrive. Once hatched, the chicks head straight to the broiler houses. Don't be fooled by the barn-like look. Behind the scenes, advanced systems control everything from temperature to ventilation. Day-old chicks rely on additional heat sources, often from gas heaters or infrared brooders, to maintain a cozy 32-35 degree, 90-95 degrees. Automated fans and vents ensure fresh air circulates while keeping dust and ammonia levels in check. Proper lighting schedules encourage healthy feeding and resting cycles. For the first few days, these tiny fluff balls spend much of their time learning to eat, drink, and explore their new home. Nutrition plays a huge role in how fast and efficiently broilers grow. That's why many facilities have custom feed formulations for each growth stage. Starter feed, high in protein and energy to help chicks develop strong bones and immune systems. Grower feed, balanced to sustain steady muscle growth without overloading their system. Finisher feed, fine-tuned to maximize weight gain and meat quality just before market. Automated feeders shuttle these specially formulated pellets or crumbles along tracks, ensuring every chick has consistent access. Sophisticated sensors track feed levels and even monitor how much the birds are eating. That data helps farm managers tweak the diet or environment in real time. Modern broilers are designed for rapid growth. Within 6 to 8 weeks, these once tiny chicks balloon in size, reaching weights of about 2 to 3 kilograms, 4.4 to 6.6 pounds. Regular weigh-ins, coupled with software tracking feed intake and water consumption, help maintain a healthy balance. Any sudden drop in consumption might signal illness, while spikes can indicate a thriving flock. Technicians walk through the barns daily, looking for signs of discomfort, unusual behavior, or disease. With tens of thousands of birds in a single barn, early detection of any issue can prevent a widespread outbreak. Biosecurity protocols, showering in, wearing sanitized gear, and disinfecting footwear to keep viruses or bacteria from entering. Vaccination programs protect flocks against common poultry diseases, sometimes administered via spray in the hatchery or through their drinking water. Rodent control measures and constant monitoring of the barn environment further reduce risks. Healthy birds produce higher quality meat and keep the entire supply chain stable. By 6 to 8 weeks, these birds have nearly reached market weight. Facilities aim for a precise balance, a chicken big enough to satisfy market demands without going so heavy that leg issues or overcrowding occur. When the time comes, broilers are carefully caught, either by hand or using automated systems, and placed into transport crates. Stress reduction is key. Gentle handling preserves meat quality and upholds welfare standards. Trucks are often climate controlled, ensuring the birds remain comfortable en route to processing. As demand for chicken meat grows, so do concerns over ethics and sustainability. Many mega facilities invest in waste-to-fertilizer systems to recycle litter. Renewable energy projects like solar arrays on barn roofs and advanced water recycling methods. Some operations also adjust lighting and spacing to reduce stress and improve overall welfare. While practices vary by region and brand, a growing number of consumers want reassurance that the chicken on their plate was raised responsibly. And that's the story of how a tiny fertilized egg transforms into a fully grown broiler chicken, ready to meet the world's appetite. From sophisticated incubation machines that mimic a hen's warmth, to climate-controlled broiler houses carefully overseeing every stage of growth, this is modern chicken production on a massive scale. It's a precise balancing act of science, technology, and careful oversight, all to bring a reliable, affordable source of protein to tables worldwide.